In this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to get cap breakers in 2K26. This is a super easy method using a 2K26 locker code, and it is going to unlock all 28 cap breakers for free in NBA 2K26. Before I show you how to do this, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more. So I was searching for hours, trying tons of different methods to try and get all cap breakers. Most people think there's only 20 available, but there is actually 28. And I've managed to find a locker code that's going to get you each and every cap breaker currently available in 2K26. So let's get into the video. What you're going to want to do is use your mobile phone internet browser to get your 2K26 locker code. So you've got to open up your internet and go to www.coldcoupons.com. And when you reach this website, guys, you're going to be greeted by lots of different pages. So to simplify the process of finding the NBA 2K26 locker codes page, you need to use the search bar and just type that in there. This is the locker codes page. You can see there are 4 verified codes. Go ahead and scroll down and select the cap breakers code. Get all cap breakers for free in NBA 2K26. And this is a locker code that you can simply redeem in your game, and it's going to credit your account with 28 cap breakers. And this is the fastest method, guys, working in 2026. So as you can see, your 2K26 locker code is hidden and it says locked. Essentially, you need to unlock your code, and this prevents people from taking the 180 or 179 codes remaining. So click on get full code, and you're going to see this page here. This basically gives you the steps you need to take to unlock your code. You need to complete 2 of the tasks below. They're completely free, and they're things like applications and surveys. As you can see, there is a list of them here. You need to choose 2 of them, ensuring you follow the instructions to complete each one. So as an example, this one says install open. Oops, I've accidentally clicked on one. Install, open, and install 2 apps to unlock. So you click on it, it'll take you to the App Store, where you just download that app, and you have to install 2 of them. So they're really easy things. They take about 5 minutes, but once you do that, your 2K26 locker code will be revealed in this box. So I've skipped forward, but I did this earlier and it did take me about 5 minutes. Then I redeemed my locker code in 2K26 and it gave me all cap breakers. So that gave me 28 cap breakers, guys. So that is how to get cap breakers in 2K26. Go to Cold Coupons and select the cap breakers code. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.